Kwrak salo Agartala Tripura Pollution Control tangkhor-ni luajimung by kaisa nangkukmani workshop khwlaijak or shani workshop manjak Science Technology and Environment tangkhor-ni tangkra Dr. K Chakrabarty State Pollution Control tangkhor-ni Chairman K Agarwal Science Technology and Environment tangkhor-ni Director Animesh dasno khobwi kubuni adongrok or shani workshop plastic no samungo thepayaiw tongnani juda lama no naharwi dalbidal manwino samungo thepanani twiwi koklam khwlaijak Aboni logi tangkhor-dera mungni yakni kagnani bagai plastic rok samungo thepaya angei tongnani bagai abota hekok rok no bathoma khaiwi sajaka.
Single-use plastic grievance apps as a multiple digital intervention so that the implementation status and the status of the uses of SUP in the states can be reviewed and so that the banning order would be implemented effectively. And not only that, to enable the citizen participation, the single-use plastic grievance apps will be very useful for that. So these two apps will play a very important role for showcasing our implementation status of banning order as well as uses of the ban items of SUP in various markets, various major commercial places. It will be very helpful for showcasing our states regarding implementation status in the CPCB or in the national portal. So in that sense, it is very important to understand how to operate the single-use plastic white portal and single-use plastic grievance apps. So with these few words, I would once again welcome all the respected dignitaries and participants.